Assalamu alaikum scholars. You are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Scholar, today we have lecture number 51 and it's part 7. Today's lecture is the missing value analysis in SPSS software. So missing value analysis is also one of the part or one of the test while checking the data normality. Previous lecture was about a practical case study for the data normality, and the next lecture will be about how to perform the outliers test in SPSS software. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, you are requested to please subscribe it. If you like our videos, you are requested to please click on like button. Today's session is totally a practical session. Click on analyze, click on descriptive statistics, click on frequencies. So insert your items for which you want to check the missing value. Insert statistics, check these values, click on continue, check display frequency table. So you can see that there is no missing value. All the values, all the response received from 327 respondents, so there is no missing value found. So I want to create a missing value for you. Just for example, this is a response. I have deleted this response. So one missing value I have created by myself. Just to show the analysis, click on OK. So it's showing that in this item there is a one missing value, and in other types of frequency table you can see that there is a missing value, and in all other items there is no missing value reported. So if there is a missing value, there are three ways to treat this missing value. First one is the mean. If suppose that this response is not marked by the respondent, so what does it mean? How you can fill it? The arithmetic mean equal to sum divided 6. So the arithmetic mean is 5.5. So you can mark it as a 5 or as a 6. So the other way is the mode. Mode means what responses the respondent marked for highest number. So here 5 is the response, 1 5 is here and second 5 is here. So 5 is the mode for this data set. You can mark 5 here. And the other third treatment, these are the three treatments. First is the calculate the arithmetic mean of the response, in which the respondent has not marked all the values. So arithmetic means the value of arithmetic mean, you can put that value in the whole number in that response which is missing. So other treatment is the mode. So what response comes for a higher number, you can mark that response into a missing value. And the fourth, which is more acceptable to the examiners as well, is the neutral value. So where is the missing value, you can mark the neutral value. This is actually a 7-point Likert scale which was used for this data set, and 4 is a neutral value, so you can mark 4 as a neutral value. So these are the three ways of treatment for the missing value. So I can create missing value treatment for the missing value means create a logic to fill the missing value or delete the response. You may also able to delete that response in which the missing value occurs, but please be aware that if your data set is having the responses, is having a number of responses, that if you can delete that missing value, the number of required responses is not disturbed, then you may delete it. But if you have a smaller number of data set, smaller number of responses, so then you need to treat the missing value by one out of this treatment. And here look at this, what I can do here, I can put the value of neutral value here, and then I move for the analysis that there is no missing value, and then I will move forward for the further analysis. So here I treated the missing value and there is no missing value, so I am putting this data for further analysis. The next lecture will be about how to find the outliers, and how to treat the outliers. So you are requested to please listen our next lecture. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos, you are requested to please click on like button. Allah Hafiz, shukriya.